If a XAB species emits first a positron and then 2 alpha and 2 beta, and in the last 1 alpha, and finally converts to YCD species. So correct relation is given parent atom is XAB, it is converting into YCD. It is emitting, while converting, it is emitting 1 positron, 3 alpha particles, and then 2 beta particles. Because here 3 alpha particles, so why it is? Because first 2 alpha particles and then at last 1 alpha particle, and 2 beta particles and 1 positron. So now if we compare the atomic masses, B is equal to D plus 1 into 0 plus 3 into 4, because 3 alpha particle, mass of each particle is 4, and mass of the beta particle is 0, 2 into 0. B is equal to D plus 3 into 4 is 12, and then D is equal to B minus 12. Then atomic numbers. Here it is A is equal to C plus 1 into plus 1 plus 3 into 2 plus 2 into minus 1. So A is equal to C plus 1 plus 3 into 2 is 6 minus 2. So A is equal to C, here how much it is, 7 minus 2 plus 5. So C is equal to A minus 5. So the correct relation is C is equal to A minus 5 and D is equal to B minus 12. So option A.